Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs is probably the most well-known theory of motivation. It's logical and easy to understand, and some research has validated parts of it. However, most research doesn't, and it hasn't been frequently researched for several decades. There isn't much evidence that needs are structured or operate the way that this model suggests. Maslow predicted that within every human being, there is a hierarchy of 5 needs. He separated these 5 needs into higher order needs and lower order needs. At the bottom of the hierarchy are physiological needs, things like hunger, thirst, shelter, sex, and other bodily needs. Next are safety needs, security and protection from physical and emotional harm. Then we have social needs, the need for affection, belongingness, acceptance, and friendship. The 4th level includes esteem needs, the need for self-respect, autonomy, achievement, status, recognition. At the very top of the hierarchy, where very few people operate, are self-actualization needs. This is the need for growth, to achieve one's fullest potential, the drive to become what we are capable of becoming. As each need becomes substantially satisfied, 70, 80, 90%, the next need in the hierarchy becomes dominant and plays a more significant role in driving, motivating the person's behavior. This graphic includes information about features of the workplace that satisfy each of the 5 needs. In order to satisfy physiological needs, people need rest and refreshment breaks, physical comfort on the job, and reasonable work hours. To satisfy safety needs, people need safe working conditions, job security, and base compensation and benefits. In order to satisfy social needs, people need friendly coworkers, interaction with customers, and a pleasant supervisor. To satisfy higher order needs, like esteem needs, people need responsibility and the opportunity for promotion to a higher status job, and they need praise and recognition from their boss. In order to satisfy self-actualization needs, people need creative and challenging work. They need to participate in decision-making, and they need job flexibility and autonomy. Remember, though, that not all parts of Maslow's model have been supported by research. This graphic gives us some ideas about how to apply Maslow's model to the workplace.